In today's video, you'll learn how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over with a clean company file. This is helpful if your records are messy, incorrect, or you simply want a fresh start while keeping your old information separate. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner and go to Subscriptions and Billing. Here you can review your current plan and billing details. It's a good idea to check this information before making any changes so you understand how your subscription works. If you want a completely clean set of books, the simplest option is to create a brand new company file. This means your existing data won't be included in the new company, but your old records will still remain linked to the original subscription. Before continuing, make sure you're ready to start from scratch. A new company file will not contain your previous transactions, customers, or reports, so you'll need to set everything up again. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the QuickBooks website, then choose the option to create a new account or start a new company. Follow the setup steps by entering your business details and choosing the plan that fits your needs. During setup, add only the essential information, such as your business name and basic settings. After the company is created, you can begin adding customers, vendors, products, and other details as needed. Keeping things simple at the beginning helps keep your records organized. Starting a new company gives you a clean separation between old and new data. This makes it easier to stay organized and avoid confusion going forward. And that's how you erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over with a fresh company file. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.